Come test drive the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power steering, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, trip odometer, compass. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.